Hello everyone. Today, we will delve into the key traits and qualities outlined in the Architects of Victory. Traits of the best lawyers and qualities for success. This topic is essential for all professionals, students, and learners. In the intricate arena of law, where precedent collides with innovation and human stakes run high, victory is rarely accidental. It is meticulously constructed by individuals possessing a distinct blend of innate traits and cultivated qualities, the architects of legal triumph. While technical knowledge is the bedrock, the most successful lawyers distinguish themselves through a powerful combination of cognitive prowess, interpersonal mastery, strategic execution, and unwavering core principles. Creative problem solving, insatiable intellectual curiosity and lifelong learning, exceptional communication, written and oral, writing, crafting compelling briefs, precise contracts, and lucid client advice that withstands scrutiny. Speaking, presenting arguments forcefully yet respectfully in court, negotiating effectively, explaining legal concepts understandably to clients, and advocating with conviction. Listening, truly hearing clients, witnesses, opponents, and judges to understand underlying needs, motivations, and concerns. Active listening is often the key to unlocking solutions. The synergy of victory, the architect of victory, is not defined by a single trait but by the powerful synergy of these qualities. Cognitive horsepower without interpersonal skills renders argument sterile. Tenacity without strategy becomes mere stubbornness. Brilliance without integrity is ultimately hollow. The best lawyers seamlessly integrate sharp analysis, creative problem solving, masterful communication, emotional intelligence, relentless diligence, strategic acumen, and unwavering ethics. They understand that victory is multifaceted. Winning the case, achieving the client's goal, upholding justice, and preserving their own reputation and integrity. By consciously cultivating this comprehensive set of traits and qualities, lawyers transform themselves from mere practitioners into true architects, capable of designing and constructing the hard-won victories that define a successful and impactful legal career. The blueprint for success is complex, but for those who master its elements,
Thanks.
the